I'm Adam, and this is Marlon. We both really like camping, and we kind of like bikes too, so we put them together and did a 4-day trip from Upper Mill to the Lake District and back. This thinly disguised fannying around was actually our only bit of training for a much tougher trip in May.
I predict that it's going to be sunny forever.
The two farthest points of the UK, Land's End in Cornwall to John O'Groats in Scotland. So, sit back, grab a pack of crisps and some red pepper hummus, and enjoy a load of clips of us having an absolutely mint time.
Waking up at 5 a.m. to see you lying in my bed. But who's to say what is wrong when you're never alone? It happens so fast, it feels like it's nothing. Maybe it's a sign of the time. But when I'm with you, there ain't no stopping. We're leaving nobody behind. Because I'm sick of wasting all my time for one night only with you here. I know now I don't need to be so lonely. Falling back into the sea. Can't you see what's up with me? But who's to say what is wrong when you're never alone? It happens so fast, it feels like it's nothing. Maybe it's a sign of the time. But when I'm with you, there ain't no stopping. We're leaving nobody behind. Because I'm sick of wasting all my time for one night only with you here. I know now I don't need to be so lonely. Waking up at 5 a.m. see you lying in my bed. Who's to say what is wrong when you're never alone? Because I'm sick of wasting all my time for one night only with you here. I know now I don't need to be so lonely. It's something we're taught we can't get caught in for one night only. But I wanna try and maybe it's a time to be so lonely.
Hello, Squire.
Slow and steady wins the race.
What the fuck? What do you think, Marlon?
I think jelly babies make the world go round.
Show us where your jelly babies are. You dodgy bastard.